Hello, if you are facing with quite or low sound volume on your Jabra Talk 45 headsets, today's video I will show you how to fix it. This is a common issue with the small headphones, especially when one side is quieter than the other. The problem is often caused by earwax, which can block the metal mesh, preventing sound from getting out and making it much quieter. I have several videos on my channel showing how to fix this problem with different models of in-ear and earbud type headphones. Today I will fix the low volume issue on the Jabra Talk 45 headset. The first step is to remove the silicone air tip and the air hook. Next, carefully remove the metal mesh using a sharp object, being very careful not to damage the speaker driver beneath it. Separate the mesh from the speaker driver cover. To clean the earwax you will need a 10% hydrogen peroxide solution liquid, which works well to dissolve the wax. You will also need a cotton buds and a toothbrush. It's better to use someone else's toothbrush rather than your own. The soft hairs of the toothbrush are excellent for removing earwax. Once you clean the metal parts on both sides, carefully put back everything, making sure not to damage the speaker driver. Put back the silicone air tip and air hook, then turn on music to check if the headphones are as loud as they were when new. In most cases they will back to normal loudness, but if not, the speaker or amplifier inside may be damaged. If that's the case, you may need to buy new headphones or send them to warranty service. Good luck!